video, you can learn how to set up signature in Gmail account. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new videos are added to our channel. So let's get started with the video process. First step is to create the signature like this in Google Docs. And second step is to set up the signature in Gmail account. So let's get going with the signature creation. We need to go to docs.google.com site to create the signature. Next, we need to click this blank document. Next, we need to insert a table with only 2 columns. So let's select this 2 box. Next, in this first column, we can add either a profile picture or a logo brand image. We can insert the profile or logo from my computer or from our URL link in other sites, or direct capture with webcam, the Google Drive. I will upload my brand image from my computer here. Next, in the second column, we can type in our business name. Web-friendly fonts are recommended here. Next, we can add our social media links like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube by uploading all social media icons and linking to our social media pages. Next, we can add profession or professional designation here, and as well as our business website address if we have one. We can hide the border by changing the border color to white with this option, and we are done with the signature. And second step is to set up the signature in Gmail account. In Gmail dashboard, we need to click this settings icon in the top and again click see all settings tab here. Next, we need to scroll down to signature section of the page. And again here we need to click this button and create new signature. We can give an appropriate title for the signature. Next, we need to head to the Google Documents file where we created the email signature for our business. We can copy the signature by right-clicking on the mouse. And next, we can paste it in Gmail settings page in this signature box. Next, we need to select this business signature here for new email, and if needed we can select the same for reply and forward emails use too. We can compose a new email and confirm the signature visibility, and done successfully. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this.